To say to the person, see you tomorrow, we would say, kal milenge. Kal milenge, where kal stands for tomorrow. Milenge, that's the verb to meet in the future tense. So you say, kal milenge, see you tomorrow. If you're not sure whether you'll meet the person the next day, then you could always say, fir milenge. Fir means again or later. Milenge, the same, will meet. So you would say, fir milenge. So if you're meeting the person later in the afternoon, later any time in the day, or another day, you could always say, fir milenge. Even if you're never going to meet the person, so just like in English you say, see you, so in the same manner, you could just say, fir milenge. For polite expressions like, that is, thank you, so you could say, dhanyavad. Some people may also say, shukriya. So dhanyavad or shukriya. So when we talk about some expressions like thank you, sorry, excuse me, or please, which we always use in English when we are talking in Hindi, but to know these words, so if you're saying thank you to somebody, you could always say dhanyavad. Dhanyavad, which is the Hindi word for thank you. For excuse me, we say maaf kijiye. Maaf kijiye. That's excuse me. And it can be said as in English. So if someone sneezes, he could say maaf kijiye. If there's a group of people standing and you want to cross them through, you could say maaf kijiye. Or if there's a person standing with his back towards you and you want his attention, you could say maaf kijiye. So maaf kijiye stands for excuse me. To say to somebody, please repeat. For example, if you've said all these questions to someone, a person might feel that you know a lot of Hindi and he starts speaking more Hindi to you. If you do not understand, or if the person goes very fast and you want to say, please repeat, you could say, vapas boliye. Vapas boliye. Vapas meaning again, boliye, that's please speak. Vapas boliye. If the person dheere boliye. Dheere dheere boliye. Dheere dheere stands for slowly. Boliye, please speak. So dheere dheere boliye. This word, this expression dheere dheere, you could also use if you were in a tuk-tuk or in a cab and the person was driving very fast. So you could tell to the driver dheere dheere, which means go slow, slowly. So you मैं थोड़ी हिंदी बोलती हूँ, which is I speak little Hindi. मैं थोड़ी हिंदी बोलता हूँ. This is when a boy says it. And मैं थोड़ी हिंदी बोलती हूँ when a girl says it. So मैं, which is I, थोड़ी, that means little, Hindi as it is, बोलता or बोलती, depending on whether it's a male speaking or a female speaking, and who, that's the auxiliary. When you're saying yes to somebody, you say हाँ, हाँ. If you said no, you could say नहीं, नहीं, हाँ, नहीं. Another expression that we use is ठीक है. ठीक meaning fine, है which stands for is. So ठीक है meaning it's okay or it's fine, which can be used as a question. So if you have an intonation, if you use it as an interrogation, then you say ठीक है, is it okay? Or you could say ठीक है, which means it's fine, it's okay. So ठीक है and ठीक है. So just a change of tone. And the आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. आपसे meaning with you. Mil comes from the same milna, to meet. Milkar meaning after meeting. Khushi is happiness. And hui, that's happened. So you're actually telling the person happiness happened after meeting with you. Aapse milkar khushi hui. And to respond to this, the person would say mujhe bhi. You need not say the whole expression again. You would rather just say mujhe bhi. Mujhe meaning to me. Bhi means also. So you would say mujhe bhi, which means to me as well. आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई, मुझे भी.